All right. I have a request anyway. Who's kinetologist and also Black Tower? This is what Tero Francisco asking me. Those two bullies, the allies of Best Pills, Arnel Guerrera Castillo and Gina Sejo. I don't know who are they because however me I am done up making my YouTube blog. You know what, Kinetologist and Black Tower, you should never bully Terra Francisco. However, in my valuable statement, I have a warning to Kinetologist, Black Tower. However, if you make a cyberbullying in social media, I am not afraid of that, of this kind of issue it's talking about. I do not want to fight. I am here to stop making a bullies in social media. Oh, Kinetologist and and also Black Tower, you should never do that again. However, if you make an anti-IMAX in upcoming of SM malls or in Santa Rosa, I don't know what is vision Aside of Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo and Gina Sejo. However, yeah, I already moved on from them because I was angry in my statement in my blog. However, if I was angry, there is no such things about this kind of issue. So be it.